Hello, and welcome to Read Us a Story. What shall we read today? How about Maisy? Maisy Loves Birds by Lucy Cousins. What is a bird? Birds are animals with feathers and a beak, but no teeth. They lay eggs and have wings to fly. Maisy likes to listen to the birds singing when she wakes up. Tweet, 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 tweet. Hello, birdie. Good morning. Bird families. There are thousands of different types of birds. Seabirds, garden woodland birds, jungle and forest birds, birds of prey, owls, birds that don't fly, water birds. What do birds need? Insects, seeds, plants and fruit to eat. Some birds eat meat or fish. They need water to drink and wash in, a safe, dry place to sleep and nest. Maisy feeds the birds and fills a bird bath with water. Oh, that's very nice, Maisy. You're very kind to the birds.